You turn on your LG TV, and suddenly, vertical lines appear on the screen. Yeah, it looks serious. Honestly, it looks expensive. But here's the truth. In many cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how. First, unplug your LG TV from the wall. Now, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 15 seconds. This drains leftover electricity that causes display glitches. Wait 30 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset fixes the issue more often than you'd expect. Still vertical lines on screen. Go to next method, disconnect all HDMI cables. Turn the TV on with nothing connected. If the lines disappear, the problem is coming from a faulty cable or device. Reconnect devices one by one until you find the cause, then replace that cable or device. Next method. Outdated software can cause screen problems, so you'll want to go to Settings, then Support, and then Software Update. Make sure to install any available update, and after that, restart your TV. Sometimes software fixes can instantly remove those vertical lines. Next solution of problem is still as it is. If your TV is connected to a surge protector or extension cord, try removing it. Just plug the TV directly into the wall outlet. Power instability can actually interfere with the display signal, and honestly, this simple change can fix the problem immediately. If the lines are still there, you should perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, then General, and then reset to Initial Settings. This step removes any hidden software errors that might be causing the issue. If nothing works, the issue may be internal. Loose ribbon cables or signal board problems can cause vertical lines. In some cases, cleaning and reconnecting internal cables fixes the display. But if the panel itself is damaged, replacement may be required. And that's it. These steps fix most LG TV vertical line problems, and now you know exactly what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment.